997 GT3 with an alignment from VULCAN ALPHA. So in case you have a car and you need some alignment for the track or anything, some emergency or just track prep, shoot us a message or an email and we can make it happen for you. How do you like the alignment?
Yeah, it's very nice, very good. The car drive much better like before.
Sounds good.
And then don't make so much noise like before or so. That's very important.
That's a good point. Yeah, I also driven the car for the validation, you could call it, and phenomenal. I think the exhaust is not stock.
No, a lot of things is not stock, like the brakes, wheels from the GT3 and also different exhaust.
Yeah. So this is from a 991 or from which GT3?
The brakes is from 992.
Okay.
And the wheels from 991.
Wow. Wow. Interesting. Yeah. Very nice. And then we have some very nice exhaust, the picture that we will see in a bit. Also the GT seats, the cup seats, so to call them. Yeah. And actually on the back, it's very confusing. It says RS. Why does it say the RS 3.8?
Yeah, the last owner, you make this one.
Oh, okay, all right. But the engine's been rebuilt as well.
Yes. After 15,000 kilometers, and then we have all the pictures from the.
Let's see. Nice.
Then it's around 400 horsepower now.
Nice. Huh. So it's not a GT3 originally, or is it GT3?
No. It's the Carrera S.
Ah, but it's been made almost like a GT3, basically. Yeah. All right, that makes sense. But but the engine is GT3-ish. S. It's still S, but rebuilt.
Yes.
Huh.
And he put a little bit more horsepower on it. Now it's
Nice.
around 400, and also the RPM is go 500 RPM more.
Ah, okay. All right. Well, that explains a lot of things. Yeah, but still, it was very, very nice. So actually, one of the nicer cars. That explains also the softness on the front suspension, because for me, the only thing that was like not like ideal was the soft front. But overall.
Now we're gonna change the short shifter at your place, and that's
yes,
faster maybe.
Sounds good. Let's do that. All right. Well, thank you very much for the lap.
Thank you, Misha.
And you guys enjoy this nice screamer. Yeah. All right. Welcome to this lap in this 997 GT3. Oh, look at that. Ahead of us is track speed. Actually, I think it's cost us. Yeah. Awesome. Quick disclaimer, I have no clue what's in this car because the owner came to VULCAN ALPHA for alignment. It's been on the lift. Guys have looked at it, said it's good to go. So I trust them. So let's see. I've done 30 taxi laps today in a burning heat, so my brain is a bit fried to do entertaining YouTube talks. so I just want to be quiet and enjoy the drive. But yeah, alignment is good because the car drives where I wanted to drive, but suspension is very, very soft. I think even the bushings, I would say. Cannot pull away from you here. You have much more torque with his poor brakes. doesn't require any talking about how it drives or feels or whatever. You can feel that the car is very old, has 153,000 kilometers. For such a car, that's a lot in terms of components that are getting tired. But at the same time, to perform that well after 150,000 kilometers, my God, to actually give newer cars a run for their money, if you can say so. No, this is very, I'm really impressed. Great alignment by Lapo at VULCAN ALPHA, so fantastic. If you guys want the alignment, reach out to us. It's really, really good. Suspension is a bit soft, but it could be also, there's VICA, but yeah, it makes no sense to do anything. She's slow. One thing to mention, I forgot, my brain is fried. What did I want to mention? I forgot what I want to mention. I want to mention something, but something about the car. Soft, yeah. Alignment is great. Suspension is either soft, but honestly I think the bushings are old because, don't know. Regardless, thanks to Trofeo RS, what a magnificent tire. Offers so much grip. Even though that the chassis was moving, it was actually in a way nice because it could absorb all the bumps and inequalities, but the tires maintain grip no matter what. So it was proper sand. It was a very nice lap, very nice. And the sound, Metzger engine, and I think aftermarket exhaust. Again, I have no clue what the setup is. I just know that we've done the alignment. The guys who looked at the car said the car is safe to go. I saw it has Trofeo RS. I know it's a Porsche. The rest is history. What a great way to end the day. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys in tomorrow's video, where we're gonna drive to, no, maybe not even drive, maybe we're gonna eat, walk,